Hey everyone, Nurse X here, and my person who is assisting me. So she's my first aid person and person that's going to be demonstrating the mask and gloves. We're kind of going to be doing both. So this video is to go over, especially right now with the coronavirus going on, everybody is wearing mask and gloves. So I wanted to bring a video to you and don't touch that mask. Show you how to properly put on a mask, take off a mask, how to remove gloves, and then also how to properly wash your hands. So here is what a mask looks like before it goes on.
Sorry, it's like falling.
That's okay, it's a little big for you. And then this is what the mask looks like on. So you'll see both of these ends look pretty similar. However, on the top, you'll notice that you're able to bend, and that's so that you can form that around your nose and your face. The bottom part can't do that, okay? So that's how you know which way to put the mask on. So when you put this mask on, you are going to bend and shape it around your nose just like hers is. Sorry, don't want to poke you in the eye. And then make sure that down here you pull this down around your chin. I see a lot of people that have their masks on like this, just kind of straight. And you want to make sure that you're really protecting that mouth and nose, all the mucosal areas. Yeah. And we want to make sure we have a mask that fits. Hers, mine are a little big for her. So when you have a mask on, you want to make sure that you are not touching right here on the outside of that mask, really anywhere, okay? The point of this mask is to catch any viruses or bacteria that could enter the nose or the mouth. So when you're touching your mask, remember that that is dirty, okay? When you go to take your mask off, especially if you're wearing gloves, you want to take your gloves off first. So I see a lot of people out at the grocery stores right now that have mask and gloves on. The reason for this is because your hands are contaminated. So underneath the gloves, pretty clean, okay? What I would do, especially if you're at home, remove your gloves, wash your hands, or put on antibacterial, or hand sanitizer. And then you want to come up behind the ears, and then you're going to remove the mask. When this mask is on, you don't want to grab it from here and pull it and take it off, or just go like this and take it off any which way, okay? Remember again that right here, that's all dirty. So take your gloves off, put on some hand sanitizer. That way when you're going up here and touching your face to remove this, you have clean hands doing so, okay? Then you want to make sure to discard this mask. So throw it away. Some people have very limited masks, like healthcare employees, and you can keep these masks, but they need to go in a brown paper bag or a plastic bag, like a sandwich bag, like a zipper. What am I trying to say? You know what I mean? Like the bag? Yeah, a Ziploc bag, like a freezer bag. Put it in there and then close it, okay? So take this off like this. Let me sit up a little bit. Now for removing gloves, I see a lot of people going like this and just removing their gloves. You don't want to do that. Remember, right here, all dirty. You guys have been at the store picking up things and touching things and picking up your groceries, touching, where the cash register, like where you go to pay and everything, the credit card machines. You've been touching a lot of stuff, so on your gloves, it's all dirty. So the way that you remove your gloves, you're going to go glove to glove and skin to skin, right? So we don't want to go like this. We don't want to have our gloves touching our skin. You're going to pull right here. Go right into your other hand. You want to ball those up in that glove, and then you're going to go skin to skin. A couple of fingers into the clean area of the glove, and then pull those off. And those are going to go directly in the trash. Now, to wash our hands, you hear people say that you need to wash your hands for 20 seconds under warm, soapy water. You don't just want to be doing this, okay? That's not good enough. Up underneath your nails is where a lot of your germs are. That's where the bacteria lives. So you want to make sure that you're really scrubbing. Okay, get up in there and scrub. Thumbnails scrub. And then all between your fingers, get your thumbs. Sit back just a bit. And then around. Now, when you go to rinse your hands, you want to make sure you're holding them down. Okay, you don't want to go up like this because all the bacteria can run down your arm. So when you're rinsing them, make sure that you're holding them down underneath the water to get all the germs and bacteria off. All right, guys, that's mask, gloves, and hand washing. If you have any questions, drop them below.